welcome to cooking school. Today we are going to make cornbread muffins. Yummy little treat. So you need a box of cornbread muffins. You need 1 egg, easy peasy, and a 1/3 cup of milk. So, and then you need your mixing bowl, and I just use a fork to stir them, and your muffin pans. So let's open up our mix and follow along on our directions. So I think first things we want to start with is we want to preheat our oven. So let's pause opening, and it says preheat oven to 400 degrees. So I'm going to go to my oven, I'm going to hit bake, and then click it to 400 degrees, and then my oven will preheat while we're mixing our muffin mix. Now I'm going to open my muffin mix. Open up the top, pour it in my bowl. Then I'm going to pour a 1/3 cup of milk into my liquid measuring cup. Just like so. Pour that into my bowl. Crack my egg. Stick that in. Rid of that. Wash my hands. All right, and then I'm just going to mix it. Break up that egg in there, that egg yolk. And really, you guys, it is that easy. You just want to make sure that your batter is all wet. Getting rid of most of those lumps. And I am set. So now I can take my spray my muffin pans, and then I can divide my muffin mix into my muffin pans. And because this bowl has a pourer, I can just pour it right in. I don't want to fill it all the way to the top, just about halfway. And I try to make my muffins even so that they cook better. Because if I have one super full and one not very full, the muffins won't cook evenly. So then my big one would be really doughy and my little one would be burnt. So all the little things you try to think about when you're baking or cooking. And there we go, you guys. My muffin pans are full, and then I can stick them in the oven as soon as my oven preheats. And then it says I want to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll open up my oven door carefully, place them in, and I'll set my timer for 15 to 20 minutes. So we will just wait for our timer to beep. It should be any minute. We have about a minute left, and then we'll check our muffins. There's our timer. Let's stop the timer. We'll get out some hot pads and we will check our muffins. We want to be careful because the oven is hot. Oh, and they look delicious. Look at that. Cornbread muffins. Yum. All right, now we want to make sure when we're done with the oven that we turn it off and we're ready to enjoy. You can toss a little butter on those bad boys and you're ready to go. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for joining me.